Hey everyone, so in this video we'll be going through the COLL algorithms for this UOLO case. So if you don't already know, the UOLO case is recognized with a pair of yellow headlights on one side. And you can kind of think of it, if you're holding it from this direction, if you extend these headlights outwards, it kind of forms a U shape. So for the corner permutation recognition for these UOLO cases, I usually hold it in this direction so that the yellow headlights are facing backwards, and I'm looking at these four corner colors. So we got two at the front here and two on the top near the back here. So with that in mind, let's jump into the first COLL case, which is this one here. So this is recognized with the front two corner colors being matching, and the top two corner colors here are opposite colors. So for this particular case, it's actually fairly easy algorithm. It's soon from the back followed by soon from the front. So we start out with soon from the back from here like this. And then we get this, which is soon from the front. So we just solve that. And that solves COLL. So for this next COLL case, which is this one here, this is also similar to the last one where we have the front corner colors matching, but we also have the top corner colors matching as well. So for this particular algorithm, it's also very easy to remember. So you can think of it as R prime followed by a Y prime followed by an R. So in that case, it's actually quite easy, especially if you already know the Y prime. So it starts out with a R prime, and then you do a Y prime. And then you finish off with an R move, and that solves that COLL case. So for the third case, which is this one here, which is, I like to recognize it by looking at diagonal corner colors rather than adjacent ones. So I think of this diagonal corner pair as matching and the other diagonal corner pair as opposite colors. So for these diagonal matching colors, when you have one pair of diagonal corner colors matching, for these cases, we want to remember to hold them so that the U is facing this direction. And so this one actually happens to be the case where you can solve it using the standard OLO algorithm. So in this case, we've got the corner on the left here, which is matching this one. So it means we actually apply the right-handed algorithm, and it's the standard right-hand algorithm to solve the U case. And it goes like this. So R2D, R prime, U2, R D prime, which I like to do with the push on my ring finger here, and then R prime, U2, R. So if you clicked on this video, chances are you are interested in learning algorithms. And so I just want to quickly mention that I have an app for exactly that. It's called CubeAlgo. I've mentioned it previously. It's an app that I built by myself, and it's specifically for cubers who want to learn algorithms. So it's available for a free download on the App Store. It works completely offline, and if you are interested in learning algorithms such as COLL, then they are available in this app. So when you open the app, to get to COLL, you just go to 3x3 and you go to COLL, and here are all the COLL algorithms. You can keep track of your algorithms by setting learning statuses. So for example, I've learnt a particular algorithm, and you can jump straight into the built-in practice mode as well. So if you are interested, please feel free to try out CubeAlgo. Again, as I said, it's available as a free download on iOS devices. Let me know what you think, and we'll continue on with the tutorial. So moving on to the fourth case, which is this one here. Again, we can either recognize it as diagonal corners being matching, which is probably the easier way to recognize, or you can recognize it as each horizontal corner pair is opposite colors. Either way, for this algorithm, we want to hold it so that the U is facing at the back from this angle. And we do this algorithm, so it starts out with an F followed by R, U prime, R prime, U. So it's probably good to keep track of where this F12 pair goes. Following that, it's R, U, R prime, U. And then finally, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. So for the fifth case, which is this one here, this is actually the mirrored version of the third case that we've shown. So for this case, it's again recognized with the diagonal corner colors matching here, and then opposite diagonal corner colors here. So again, for this case, we want to hold it so that the U is facing us, and we want to do the algorithm on the side that doesn't have the matching corner. So in this case, we got matching corners here, so on the right side. So we want to do the algorithm from the left side. So it's essentially the lefty version of the standard UOLO algorithm, which goes like this. So it's L2 D prime, L U2 L prime D. So make sure you do that with a push over here with your ring finger. L U2 L. So the final UCLL case is this one here. So it's recognized with the back two corner colors being matching and the front two corner colors here are opposite colors. So if you get this particular case, this is probably the most difficult algorithm of the set. So it starts out with an R2 D prime. So I like to do the D prime with my left ring finger like this. And then that's followed up by R, U, R prime. So I've found that it's easy to try and keep track of where this particular edge goes. Following that, you do a D, which again, with your left ring finger here. Then it's R, U, R, U prime. So again, it makes sense to track where this edge goes. In this case, you can tell that this pair is already paired up. Then you just insert that pair into the back, and that solves that COLL case. So that's it for the COLLU algorithms. Like the video if you learned something new. Please subscribe if you want to see more similar videos. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.